Thursday, December 18th, and well, look at what's going on here. We've got the cab back on the Bombardier Muskeg Tractor, and guys would have moved this forward here today. They would have had to have dealt with the tracks. Let's put some new bolts in down here, as you can see. So I know that was the task here today, was to cut off the longer pieces of end, and then they wanted to get the cab back on here so that there was space, and they might even have to move it up a bit more here. But heard from the customer, they're going to be sending us that down payment here today. So I had to tell them, like, yeah, if we didn't get the down payment, I couldn't do any of the work because I couldn't order any of the parts. So hopefully we get the money either today or in a couple of days. We do have another customer coming in from Easterville for power steering and for a tune-up, and that's what that spot's for. So this is why these guys moved this back, is just so they can get the work done for this other customer, and then we can do more of the other work at the same time for these guys. So Dad still doesn't want to move out the Muskeg Tractor yet, because he still wants to install the new motor, and then he's got a bunch of inside work inside that cab to do. But then this frees up more space here for these guys. We can still maneuver the engine back into place if we have to for this wide gauge, and this is their engine, and it does run. And there's some repairs that has to be done on this, but it's not completely 100% dead. That was our concern before. So they're going to continue working on this. We are leaving for a week, so we're already going to be gone to Alberta and back by the time you guys see this video. So we'll be back working in the shop here, I think on the 29th or 30th, maybe the 31st, by New Year's for sure. Here's my Filipino Emily, and it's like minus 36 outside, so she's enjoying a little bit of warmer conditions in the shop. But yeah, so I was really worried that these guys weren't going to be able to come up with the cash, but they did, and so we can continue on. So the first things we're going to do back in the new year, once we get back to this, is and there's Nina Pinta Santa Maria. Oh, and I just love my Emily. They are going to we're going to pull off those tracks, and we're going to give them a full bearing replacement. We're using Timken bearings and SKF seals, but those tracks are on their last dying death throes, so we've already priced them out, and probably putting on new tracks on here. I don't know if it's going to be 3-ply or 4-ply, but Dad will make that decision there. Probably 3-ply, I would imagine. And then put the engine back into place. We've got to cut out a service hole where that hole is right there and square it out, and we still got to crawl in there and clean everything out because it's full of oil and grease and whatnot. And then Dad's already done some repairs on both sides here and on the other side, because that was all rotted right out. We got to put in new wiring. We've already got Randy on the hook here to come back and do all the wiring, so we're going to put in some new gauges, and once this thing is operational, guys, it is out the door. I mean, there is nothing pretty going on this machine that I know of other than getting it operational and running, because these guys need their Bombardiers back for the winter work that they have, and then if they want something pretty down the road, then we can definitely help them. But I think other than maybe one of the back engine doors that was completely rotted out, this is the way it's going back out. So we might put a new door on for them, but like these hinges, those ones are staying, although we don't like them. And then Dad was probably going to do some work in here as well. But yeah, that's the first time that cab has gone back onto that Muskeg Tractor in a while, so it's nice to see it all in one piece here again. And but all the parts are here. There's the rad for it right there. The rest of the stuff was all back in there, and Dad is going to work on getting this done here. Aidan, how happy are you to see that the cab's back on here? Was it just the two you guys did this, or?
No, Peter dropped by.
Oh, okay, so you got a bit of an extra help then.
Yeah.
What was the biggest problem with it?
Just, you know, it was just too heavy for two guys.
Yeah, and no problems with the track now?
No, we finished that today. I trimmed all the
Bolts,
excess
yeah.
off those bolts, torqued them all up,
Good.
put the grease nipple back in the tension.
Oh, right, yeah.
The track's tensioned right.
Good, good, good.
Did you look at this?
No, what's wrong now?
Nothing. You put another J hook in this door to.
Oh, okay.
Because it was.
Yeah. Okay, so that's already been done?
And then this one was all fucked up too.
Well,
So put
well,
another hinge in.
I noticed that. I didn't know if you did that before or not.
Yeah.
So, okay, at least the door slams shut now.
Well, before you'd have to fucking boot it.
Yeah.
Get it to close.
Okay, well, that's good.
So yeah, we got that done.
Okay.
Pulled everything back so that we could get a new Bombardier in.
Yeah, that one's coming in soon. So, you're taking the same time off over Christmas. You're excited to come back in the new year?
Yep.
Good. Well, we love the fact that Aidan's here. So, so yeah, guys, that's your pre-Christmas update. And like I said, you're not going to see this video until we're actually been to Edmonton and back. But we're going to have a very busy January here coming up. Okay, that's it. We'll check you on probably the next video, guys, or into the new year.